Welcome to driving school tutorial. My name is Frank. Let us do this quiz together. The number one question says, nei semafori in figura la luce rossa di forma di X impone di arrestarsi e attendere la luce gialla. No, it is not true. In this kind of traffic here where you have the X form light, or the light in X form, sorry, it is not telling you to wait for the light to turn green. Rather, it's prohibiting you to circulate on that lane. So the answer is falso. Number two said, se un infortunato della strada ha riportato frattura agli ati, non bisogna muovere gli ati fratturati. Yes, it is true. If, for example, a road victim is having broken of bones, maybe from the leg or the hand, you don't have to move that part of the body. Yes, the answer is vero. Number 3 said, il segnale raffigurato indica che sono stati già percorsi 4 km da Piacenza. No, it is not true. This is a sign that is telling me that I have 54 kilometers to drive before exiting, before exiting in that exit that will lead me to Piacenza, and from that Casolo di Autostrada, I still have another 4 kilometers to drive before getting to the city of Piacenza. So the answer is falso. It's not telling me that I've already driven 4 kilometers. So the answer is falso. Number 4 said, secondo le norme di precedenza nell'incrocio rappresentato in figura, i veicolo S transita prima del veicolo R. That is, according to the rules of circulation, in this junction here, vehicle S will transit before vehicle R. Yes, because if you look at it here, you see that vehicle R and vehicle E, they have a give right of way sign. Therefore, the vehicle that will leave the junction first is vehicle S, followed by vehicle A, then followed by vehicle E, and then vehicle R is the last to leave the junction. So the answer is vero. Number 5 said, in presenza del segnale raffigurato è necessario tenere saldamente il volante per controllare possibili sbandamenti. Yes, in the presence of this sign, it is necessary for you to hold the steering very well in order to control maybe the abnormal behavior of the vehicle due to the, the potholes that you'll be coming across. So the answer is vero. Number 6 said, l'arresto e l'interruzione della marcia del veicolo dovuto ad esigenza della circolazione, come ad esempio ad un semaforo rosso. Yes, it is true. Arresto is the temporary suspension of travel due to the request of a traffic light or traffic agent. Yes, the answer is vero. For example, when the traffic light is red, you need to stop, not because you willingly want to stop, but because it is at the request of a traffic light. So that is called arresto. The answer is vero. Number 7 said, la striscia di mezzo in figura consente il sorpasso senza superarla, purché non vi siano motivi che lo vietano. Yes, it is true. The middle line in this, carriageway here allows you to overtake without going above it, without going above the middle line, as long as no other sign or road code prohibit you to overtake. It is true. In the presence of this continuous line, you can overtake as long as you are able to carry out this overtaking inside your lane without going above the lane, and there is no other road code or sign that prohibits you to do so. So the answer is vero. Number 8 said, il segnale raffigurato preannuncia la presenza di un ponte mobile. No, it is not true, because this sign here warns me over a traffic light, in 150 meters time. So the answer is false. So it's not warning me over a mobile bridge. So the answer is false. Number 9 said, il conducente di veicolo a due ruote può circolare portando con sé un animale domestico, se custodito in apposito gabbia, purché non siano sporgenti di oltre 50 centimetri. Yes, on top of a motorcycle, you can carry an animal as long as this animal, for example, dog, cat, or whatsoever, is inside a cage, and the cage is not pointing out more than 50 centimeters. So the answer is zero. You can carry it. The answer is zero. Number 10 said, in presenza del segnale dare precedenza, se occorre arrestarsi, bisogna che cioè avvenga in corrispondenza della striscia, cioè avvenga in corrispondenza della striscia trasversale formato da una serie di triangoli bianchi. Yes, it is true. In the presence of give right of way sign, if you are to stop to give right of way, you need to stop in correspondence to all those small triangles, triangular signs that are drawn on the road. Those are señale that is, those are horizontal signs, in a triangle form. They are drawn on the surface of the road, telling you where you need to stop. If, for example, you are to stop to give right of way, so the answer is vero. Number 11 said, il segnale raffigurato preannuncia una curva a sinistra. No, it is not true, because this is a danger warning sign that warns me over a bend towards my right, not towards my left. So the answer is false. Number 12 said, il segnale raffigurato indica un parcheggio a sinistra. No, it is not true. This is a sign telling me, how to go, or how to turn left in this particular stretch of road. So the answer is false. So it's not showing me parking space to the right, to the left. So the answer is false. Number 13 said, lo spazio minimo de battistrada degli pneumatici di un autoveicolo deve essere di 1,6 mm. Yes, it is true. The tread space, the minimum tread space of a motor vehicle need to be not less than 1.6 millimeters. So that is for motor vehicle, and don't forget that of a motorcycle is 1 millimeter. So the answer is vero. Number 14 said, circolando dietro ad un veicolo che trasporta un carico poco sicuro, conviene spostarsi lungo il margine sinistro della carreggiata. No, it is not true that if you are going behind a vehicle that is carrying load that is not well fixed, that you need to go close to the left margin of the carriageway. No, what you need to do is to increase the maximum, the safety distance of this vehicle, and make sure you overtake this vehicle as soon as possible. So the answer is false. Number 15 said, il segnale raffigurato indica l'inizio di un centro abitato. No, this sign is not indicating the beginning of an inhabited area. Rather, the sign is telling me that I have 54 kilometers to drive before I can exit to Piacenza, whereby I will also have to drive 4 kilometers from the exit to Piacenza. So the answer is false. Number 16 said, il segnale raffigurato indica in 110 km/h il limite massimo di velocità sulla strada extraurbana principale. Yes, because this is a sign that is placed at the entrance of Italy to indicate to you the speed limit that is allowed in different types of road in Italy. For example, in inhabited area you have 50 kilometers per hour. In outside inhabited area you have 90 kilometers per hour. Then maximum. Then strada extraurbana principale you have 110 kilometers per hour as maximum. Then while in autostrada you have 130 kilometers per hour as maximum. So the 110 is indicating the maximum speed you can drive in strada extraurbana principale. Yes, the answer is vero. Number 17 said, in caso di frenata di emergenza, il conducente deve contemporaneamente premere a fondo freno e frizioni. No, it is not true that when in the case of emergency braking, that you need to at the same time press down the clutch and the brake. No, it is not true. You are supposed to press down the brake first, then the clutch little by little. So the answer is false in the case of emergency stop. So the answer is false. Number 18 said il delineatore raffigurato si trova di norma dopo il segnale curva pericoloso a sinistra. Yes, it is true. This delineator here, it is a sign that you see after they must have given you the sign of a dangerous bend to the left. Yes, it is true. The answer is vero. Number 19 said la targa posteriore di un autoveicolo deve essere illuminata con una luce bianca. Yes, the plate number of a vehicle must be brightened by a white light. Yes, the answer is vero. If you watch the plate number of every vehicle, especially the one at the back, you see that the white light is always on. So the answer is vero. That white light, both during the day and during the night, is always on to brighten the words or the numbers, sorry, in that plate number. So the answer is vero. Number 20 said, in presenza del segnale raffigurato è consentito il sorpasso dei veicoli che hanno segnalato l'intenzione di svoltare a destra. No, it is not true that in the presence of this sign, this overtaking sign, that it is allowed for you to overtake those vehicles that already, signal their intention to turn left. Sorry, sinistra a destra. Effettuare consentito il sorpasso dei veicoli a destra. No. It is not true that you can overtake, in the presence of this, and that you can overtake all those vehicles that are already signal their intention to turn right. So the answer is false. Number 21 said, il carico del veicolo deve essere sistemato in modo da evitarne le cadute o la dispersione. Yes, it is true. Load, you must, systemize load in your vehicle in a way to avoid them from falling out or dispersing, around. So the answer is vero. Number 22 said, sull'autostrada strada extraurbana principale è vietato la circolazione di pedoni e animali anche nell'area di servizio e nell'area di sosta. No, it is not true that in autostrada and strada extraurbana principale that it is prohibited for pedestrians and animals to walk in the service area and also in the parking area. No, don't forget that in the service area, as long as the animal is guided by the owner, is under, for example, under protection, it can walk. You understand? For example, a dog, when they have their, maybe they're inside the cage, or there is a rope tied on the dog, for the owner to control it. Yes, they can walk. You understand? So the answer is false. Number 23 says, gli pneumatici con camera d'aria in caso di foratura si sgonfiano lentamente. No, it is not true that the vehicle tires with tube, that they in terms of maybe breakage, that the air go out slowly. No, they go out faster. It is the one of tubeless that go out slowly. So the answer is falso. Il conducente deve dare la precedenza ai pedoni con i bastoni bianco o rosso che attraversano la strada, anche se fuori della striscia di un attraversamento pedonale. Yes, because this stick helps you to identify that these people, if it's white, like I said, it means that they cannot see. If it's white and red, it means that they cannot see and also they cannot hear. So the answer is vero. You need to give them right of way. Number 25 said, il segnale raffigurato consente di circolare entro i limiti di velocità vigente per quel tipo di strada. Yes, it is true. In the presence of this sign is a restriction sign that tells you that the restriction that was given to you not to drive more than 50 is finished. Therefore, from here now you can drive more than 50 kilometers per hour. But the thing is that even though you can drive more than 50 kilometers per hour, but you need to respect the general speed limit that is imposed on that road. For example, if you are driving in Strada Urbana Secundaria, where the maximum speed limit is 90 kilometers per hour, if they give you this sign, you must make sure even if you are driving above 50 kilometers per hour, but you must still have to respect that 90 kilometers per hour that is generally imposed on that road. So the answer is vero. Number 26 said, è obbligatorio dare la precedenza a destra e a sinistra in presenza del segnale rotatoria. No, it is not true. In the presence of a roundabout, you are not obliged to give right of way to left and right. You are obliged to give right of way to the left, not to the right and left. So the answer is falso. Number 27 said, il segnale raffigurato è posto in corrispondenza della fine della pista ciclabile accanto al marciapiedi. Yes, it is true. This sign indicates the end of a part of way reserved for pedestrian, that is inside to a part of way reserved to cyclists. So the answer is vero. The both part is finished. In this case, the pedestrian and the cyclist, they need to pay attention, but it does not mean that they cannot continue. They only need to pay attention. The answer is segnale raffigurato posto, yes, vero. Number 28 said, il segnale raffigurato impone la marcia in unica fila. No, this is obligation sign that oblige me to only go straight. It prohibits me to turn left or right. So it's not asking me to move in a parallel line. So the answer is falso. Number 29 said, lo spazio di frenatura si quadruplica se la velocità si raddoppia. Yes, it is true. The stopping space quadruples if the velocity doubles. So the answer is vero. Number 39 said, dopo aver eseguito una prima manovra di sorpasso in strada ad almeno 2 corsie per senso di marcia, è possibile eseguire un'altra senza rientrare a destra se non si crea intralcio. Yes, it is true. In a road where you have at least 2 lanes for each direction or each way, during overtaking, you can, do more than one overtaking without coming back to the normal circulation lane, as long as you know that the overtaking you are about to do is not going to create obstruction to circulation. So the answer is vero. So we have finished answering the questions. Let us go and see the outcome. Okay, we're having 0 errors. Green. So guys, these are the answers to these questions. Please, if you like this video, you can do me a favor by hitting the like button and also share it. Leave your comment at the comment section. This is a way for you also to encourage me. And please don't forget that you can join our Zoom classes. You have 2 days of free classes, and you can reach out to me through the number that you've seen on the screen. So thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.